Today I'm making chicken corn chowder with bacon. So as the month goes by, I'm going to make more soups because nothing I like better than soup in the fall. So let's get started. Right here, right now, on Darlene's table. First step is I've chopped 10 slices of hickory smoked bacon thick and I've crisped it up. Going to remove it all. I'm leaving about 3 tablespoons of the bacon fat and I've added butter. Now I'm adding the carrots, celery, and leeks. Now the shallots. We'll let this cook for a couple of minutes. I've added the garlic as well. All right, now the diced potatoes with parsley, thyme, and a bay leaf. Let's stir this well. I'm going to add 32 ounces of chicken stock. I'm going to let this cook for about 15 minutes with the lid on. In the meantime, I'm going to make my roux using butter and flour. It's just a light roux, so it's just going to be a light golden color. Now to the roux, I'm going to whisk in 1.5 cups of half and half. This will be really thick when we're done. Oh, there, see how thick this is? Now, the potatoes have been going for about 15 minutes. I'm turning the heat to low. I'm going to remove the bay leaves, the parsley, and the thyme stems. I'm adding the 2 cups of corn. This is fresh corn that I took off the cob about a week ago and I put it in the freezer. I used 2 chicken leg quarters, or you could use 4 chicken thighs. I'm putting half of the bacon into the soup and we're going to reserve the rest for garnish. Now I'm going to let this cook for about 5 minutes. All right, now I'm going to add the roux mixture. Let it heat back up, just a little simmer. Adjust for your salt and pepper to taste. Oh, this is going to be really good. Look at that. All right, this is ready to serve. Garnish this with some of the reserved crisp bacon and chopped chives. You can serve this with beer bread, and the recipe you can find on my YouTube channel. Now that's a beautiful, colorful bowl of soup with the yellow corn, carrots, the bacon, and green chives. It's a masterpiece to look at and delicious to taste. This recipe makes a lot of soup, so sometimes I have some to freeze. That's really great on a cold, wintry day. I hope you give this a try, and please let me know in the comments what you think. The recipe for this soup is on the video description. So if you like this video, please share it with your family and friends. Click on the like button and hit the bell so you will be notified when we post another video. Anyway, we hope to see you again soon on Darlene's Table. Have a blessed day.